Hello guys, welcome to Driving TV. This is Cabby, and in today's video, I'm super excited because I'm providing you guys with a mini tutorial on how to parallel park. This is a step-by-step guidance on how to accomplish this parallel parking. You will know how to do this by the end of this video if you pay attention and of course if you practice, because you always got to incorporate not only the knowledge that you have but practice and practice every day in order to feel confident and ready to get out there and just do what you got to do. So without saying no more, let's get right to the video. If you're a beginner driver and you have absolutely no idea how to do this, how to do parallel parking, this is your video, and leave me in the comments if you found this helpful by any chance. Also, if you did find it helpful and you liked it, thumbs up, leave your comments below, your feedback, because I truly appreciate it. And let's get right to it.
Step 1. Find a suitable spot. First, you need to find a spot that at least has half times the length of your car. This will give you enough room to maneuver. Look for a space that seems manageable, especially if you're a beginner. Make sure there are no parking restrictions or signs that prohibit parking in that specific spot. Now, if you're nervous, try to find a space with plenty of room in front and behind the spot. The more space you have, the easier it will be to park. Step 2 is signal and position your car. Turn on your right turn signal if that is where you're going to let other drivers know you're about to park. Pull up alongside the car in front of the space, leaving about 2 to 3 feet of space between your car and the parked car. Align your passenger side mirror. This is a tip. Always make sure that you align your passenger side mirror with the driver's side mirror of the parked car next to you. This helps make sure that you're in the correct starting position. Step 3 would be checking your surroundings. Before you start, check for pedestrians, cyclists, and other vehicles around you. Look at your mirrors and check your blind spots to make sure that it's safe to proceed. Always be aware of your surroundings. Taking an extra moment to check can prevent accidents. Now, step 4. Start reversing. Put your car in reverse. Slowly back up until the middle of your car is aligned with the rear bumper of the parked car next to you. Keep your foot on the brake and go very gently, very slowly. Use your side mirror to help guide you. Look over your right shoulder as you back up for a better view of the curb and the car behind you. Step 3 would be to turn the wheel. Now, turn your steering wheel all the way to the right. Continue to reverse slowly until your car forms a 45-degree angle with the curb. Your car's rear will start to angle into the parking spot. Look at the curb and make sure that your car's rear tire is close to it without hitting it. Use your side mirrors to measure basically the distance. Now, step 3, straighten the wheel. Straighten your steering wheel when your car's front bumper clears the rear bumper of the car in front. Continue to back up slowly when you do so. This is the trickiest part, but take it slow and don't hesitate to adjust as needed. If you need to pull forward a bit to straighten out, that's okay. That's not an issue. Have patience. Step 7 would be turn the wheel again. So turn your steering wheel all the way to the left this time. Keep reversing until your car is parallel to the curb. Make sure to go slow and steady. Check your mirrors and surroundings constantly. If you feel unsure, stop and assess your position before continuing. Step 8, adjust and straighten. So once your car is parallel to the curb, straighten your steering wheel. Pull forward or back slightly as needed to center your car in the space. Aim to be within a foot of the curb. If you're too far or too close, adjust by moving forward and backward while straightening your wheel. And step 9, the final check. Make sure your car is straight and within a foot of the curb. Make sure you are not blocking any driveways or fire hydrants. This is very important. If you need to, adjust your position until you're correctly parked. Always do a final check to make sure your car is well positioned. This ensures you that you're parked correctly and safely. Step 10, practice makes perfect. So remember, parallel parking can be tricky, very tricky, but practice makes perfect. It makes it easier for you, gives you confidence, all that stuff. Try practicing in an empty parking lot is my suggestion, or a quiet street until you feel very comfortable to do so out there in traffic. Now, use cones to practice. Like in this video, you see the cones. If you can, you set them up, and it's a way to simulate cars and practice the steps until you feel confident and all of that. Now, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, I always tell you, please leave me a like, a comment, and subscribe for more driving tips and tutorials. I'm always very happy to hear your feedback, and let me know any other videos that you guys would want to see, and I'd be happy to assist you. Thank you so much. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.